Hi, today we are going to discuss the topic is mock interview session. We are going to discuss packaging and app exchange product topics here as part of mock interview sessions. If you don't know anything about packaging and app exchange product, I suggest have a look into ISV Force guide. Okay, now let's start our session with a great quote. Take risks in your life. If you win, you may lead. If you lose, you may guide. Let's start our questions. When does your product need a security review? If your vulnerability is found in a component of your solution, how do you respond? If you have fixed a code that runs on the Salesforce platform, how do you resubmit your solution for review? Can you say few common web vulnerabilities? What document provides a walkthrough of security issues explained by technology and product type? When do we need to consider security in our development process? What is a bold solution? When does your product need a security review? Okay, first thing is whenever or before you launch your first version to App Exchange and whenever the Salesforce product security team requires it. If your vulnerability is found in a component of your solution, how do you respond? The first thing is you have to review your entire code, okay, and fix all vulnerabilities of that type. For example, if they say, so you written a SOQL query in for loop in a particular component. So then you have to check all the codes, all your components, wherever you have SOQL queries, whether you written any SOQL queries in for loop other than this component, not only that component. Okay, so that means we always need to check all components or all entire code base for any type of vulnerabilities given by security team. If you have fixed code that runs on the Salesforce platform, how do you resubmit your solution for a review? Simple. You just need to upload your updated package to your listing and click start review button again. Can you say few common web vulnerabilities? Common web vulnerabilities: injection, session hacking, cross-site scripting. Okay, what is injection? So for example, a query sends a bad data to system in an attempt to do damage. Okay, if you have such kind of queries written, then you have to be very careful to avoid this. Session hacking: an attacker gains entry to a secure session by intercepting credentials. You have to be very careful about this session hacking as well. Cross-site scripting: a solution passes unvalidated data to a web browser, allowing malicious code to run. This is also very important. Your scripting also should be proper. Okay, so you should not allow cross-site scripting in your solution. For more information, you can see that Web Application Security Project for more web vulnerabilities. Okay, now which security concept is unique to Salesforce? So CRUD and FLS. What document provides a walkthrough of a security issues explained by technology and product type? So what document it is? The Salesforce security requirement checklist. Okay, you can find out online and you can see what kind of issues will be there and what kind of type of issue it is and how to fix also. You can see that. When do we need to consider security in our development process? At every stage, not at a particular stage. Okay, during product and feature design, and when implementing a features, and when testing your product and features. What kind of things you can build and sell using a Salesforce platform? You can build applications, lightning components, bolt solutions, Lightning data solutions and flows. Okay, you can implement and you can sell these kind of things. What is a bolt solution here? So usually lightning bolt solution or lightning bolt solutions are community solution templates. It helps customers to get up running faster and with far less investment than was required before. So it contains a bundle of branded customized communities, process flows, lightning components, and apps. All are integrated seamlessly with the Salesforce platform and CRM. It's easy to build. Okay, that's about Bolt solution. Have a look into Bolt solution or Lightning Bolt solution. For more information, you can see more deeply. All the best. Please subscribe to Salesforce Techbook.